In today's video you will find practical work in chemistry. Let us see first effect of heat on the given salt. Take a hard glass test tube or borosilicate glass and a small amount of given substance in the test tube. A small amount of given substance in the test tube. After that, you hold it with the help of test tube holder. Now you fix the test tube with a delivery tube like this. Now you will heat it and pass the gas through litmus paper, lime water. Okay, now a small amount of the given sample taken in the test tube. The color of the sample is, see the color of the sample is light green, slight bluish green, light green. This is a amorphous powder, this is a amorphous solid, light green amorphous solid, very light. It is green also, powdery substance. And here I have taken in the test tube and heating it. When heating it, before starting heating, I take a litmus paper moistened with water and heat the substance, bring in contact with the gas litmus paper first and see is there any change on litmus paper, that we are checking first with litmus paper. And color of the solid also see. When substance is heated, what is the effect of heat on the substance? Now see there, litmus paper turns pink. Litmus paper turns pink here. See the litmus paper is turning pink. And substance, and this colored substance, light green substance, is changing into black color. See, it is changing into black brown color. Now it will completely change. But before that, I am passing the gas through lime water. Passing the gas through lime water. Lime water turns milky. See, lime water turns milky. Passing the gas through lime water. Lime water turns milky, just like milk. Pass the gas for long time and see what happens. Pass the gas for long time. See, now it is milky only. Again passing some more gas in it. Pass the gas through lime water. First it turns milky. Then milkiness gradually disappearing. See, very interesting. Milkiness gradually disappears. See, milkiness gradually disappears. Very interesting. And once it became just like milk. And now here again it became colorless. See the condition. It became colorless. Then after that, now it became colorless. Then now I am going to boil the content of the test tube to heat it again. I am heating the content of the test tube again. Just warm it slightly. Slight change will be observed there. See the condition, what is happening there. Just slightly I am heating this one and checking there. Now see, again solution become milky. After heating, solution again become milky, again become white. Now this is your observation. On passing the gas, it was milky, and on passing for long time milkiness disappears. Again on heating milkiness appears. When there was blue litmus paper brought, it became pink. These tests, and now one more thing I wanted to show there. दिखाइए. Whenever, in this case, whenever we are bringing a burning splint in contact with the gas, here heat the sample, and or you can check directly from here only. Open the test tube from that and heat it, and now bring a burning splint in contact with the gas. Now once again here, now this gas CO2 already escaped out. Then I am taking another sample to show the effect of gas on burning splint, to show the effect of gas in the heated sample there. In this, if you are further heating, nothing will happen. Gas is not coming out, it is black brown, already escaped away, no effect. But whenever this fresh sample is heated, this one, and you are bringing a burning splint here in contact with the gas, then it extinguishes. See, it indicates that gas does not support burning. Then that is the experiment about effect of heat on the given substance. Now another thing is there. For that I am going to tell you now assignment. Now assignment I am telling now, listen. Here in your copy how you will write, that I am going to tell you first. How you will write in your copy. You will buy a copy like this. In this copy, this side here, this side, you will write assignment number 1. And this side here, this side, you will make 2 columns, one for observation here and one for deduction. Now first you will write observation, this one assignment here, observation here. In this observation I told you there, first observation I told you, take the substance and heat. Then first observation is a colorless, odorless gas evolves. Second point, the gas turns blue litmus paper red or pink. The gas turns moist blue litmus paper pink. Now here third point, what is there? Pass the gas, bring a burning splinter. When you brought a burning splinter, then and when fresh sample was heated, a burning splinter is brought in contact with the gas, then splinter extinguishes. Gas does not support burning. Now pass the gas through lime water for long time. You have seen there, when I passed first, then lime water turns milky, and when passed for long time, then observation is milkiness disappears. When again the content of the test tube is heated, then milkiness appears. For that I am going to tell you reaction. Now deduction. The given sample is light green powdery substance. Write deduction. The given sample may be copper carbonate. Copper carbonate, first deduction. Second deduction is blue litmus turns red. Right here the gas is acidic. The nature of the gas is acidic. Now third, extinguishes the burning splint. Right deduction. Gas does not support burning. Next, gas turns lime water milky and milkiness disappears on passing for long time. Gas is odorless. Then right here the evolved gas is carbon dioxide. That is about observation and deduction. Deduction means result. And then reaction, you will here write assignment 5 points, 4 points, and here near the bottom this side you will write the reaction. Reaction I am giving here. First case, when cupric carbonate is heated, then first reaction CuCO3 on heating produces a black color cupric oxide and carbon dioxide. This is black in color and this is light green in color. Light green in color. Number 2, lime water, calcium hydroxide. Lime water on passing the gas plus CO2 turns milky. Why it turns milky? Due to formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. Due to formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. Because of that it turns milky. And when more CO2 gas is passed there, CO2 gas is passed for long time, then milkiness disappears. Then milkiness disappears. Now here the solution is colorless, and on heating, on boiling, again solution become milky. On boiling, solution become milky again. This is about reaction. You will write left side these reactions, and this is about the today's experiment. That's all for today. Thank you.